Have you ever walked into a museum surrounded by masterpieces and felt completely lost? Maybe you've stared at a painting, searching for meaning, and wondered, what am I supposed to feel here? You're not alone. Many people feel this way when they first encounter art. Sometimes art can seem like a secret club with its own language and rules, but the truth is, you don't need any special knowledge or training to enjoy it. Art is meant for everyone, no matter your background or experience. All it really takes is a bit of curiosity and a willingness to look a little closer. With a simple approach, you can start to see art in a whole new way. Once you know what to look for, every visit to a gallery becomes an adventure. One where you're not just looking at art, but truly connecting with it and discovering your own reactions. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, helping you break down what you see so you can trust your own eyes and feelings. The goal? To turn that initial confusion into real confidence, so you can enjoy art on your own terms. Art is for everyone, and by the end of this journey, you'll have a toolkit to unlock the secrets of any artwork you encounter, no matter where you are. So get ready. Your art adventure starts right now, and there's a whole world of creativity waiting for you to explore. Art critics have a secret toolkit, a 4-step method that helps them unlock the meaning and value of any artwork. The steps are: describe, analyze, interpret, and evaluate. This process isn't just for professionals. Anyone can use it to deepen their appreciation of art. The first step is describe. Here you simply state what you see, sticking to the facts and leaving opinions aside. For example, you might say, a woman in a blue dress, holding a book, with sunlight streaming through a window. Notice the details, the colors, the objects, the setting. Next comes analyze. This is where you look closer at how the artist has put the work together. Pay attention to the use of color, light, and composition. Are the colors bold and vibrant or soft and muted? Is the subject placed in the center or off to the side? How do these choices affect the mood? Then, interpret. Ask yourself, what story or feeling does the artwork communicate? Maybe the quiet scene suggests peaceful solitude, or perhaps it hints at a deeper narrative. What emotions or ideas come to mind as you look? Finally, evaluate. This is your chance to decide if you think the artwork is successful. Is it original, skillful, or emotionally moving? Does it stand out from other works you've seen? Consider what makes it special or memorable to you. Remember, this method isn't about finding right or wrong answers. Art is personal, and your perspective matters. It's about building your own understanding and forming a deeper connection with what you see. With these 4 steps, you can approach any artwork with curiosity and confidence, no matter your background or experience. Try it for yourself. Describe, analyze, interpret, and evaluate the next piece of art you see. You might be surprised by what you discover. Suddenly, you're not just looking at art, you're truly seeing it, engaging with it, and understanding it on a whole new level. That's the critic's secret toolkit. Now, it's yours too. Art isn't always about copying reality. There's a spectrum. Representational art looks real, like a lifelike portrait or a bowl of fruit. Abstract art starts with something real, but distorts or simplifies it. Think wild colors or geometric shapes. Non-representational art doesn't depict anything from the real world. It's just color, shape, and line. Each style communicates differently. Realism shows skill, abstraction expresses ideas, and non-representational art evokes pure feeling. Don't search for hidden objects in every piece. Sometimes it's about how the artwork makes you feel. Understanding this spectrum helps you appreciate all kinds of art. Every style offers a unique experience. Art reflects the values and beliefs of its culture. Ancient Egyptian art followed strict rules to show gods and pharaohs as perfect and eternal. Greek art idealized the human body, celebrating beauty and harmony. Indian temple sculptures are dynamic and detailed, expressing spiritual ideas. Medieval European art focused on religious storytelling, using bold colors and clear symbols. Each culture's art is a window into what mattered most to them. When you look at art, consider the culture behind it. The style, symbols, and subjects all tell a story about the people who made it. Art is a universal language, but every culture has its own accent. Art is a living, breathing language that constantly evolves through movements and personal styles, reflecting the ever-changing world around us. The Renaissance marked a turning point, reviving realism and perspective. artists began to focus on the natural world and human potential, celebrating anatomy, proportion, and the beauty of everyday life. Later, realism emerged, depicting ordinary people and daily scenes. These artists wanted to show the world as it truly was, without idealization, capturing the struggles and dignity of common life. Expressionism and abstract expressionism broke away from strict reality. Through bold colors, dramatic lines, and energetic gestures, artists used their work to express deep emotions and inner experiences. Even within the same movement, artists develop unique voices, like Vermeer's quiet, luminous domestic scenes, or Van Gogh's swirling, vibrant brushstrokes that seem to pulse with energy and feeling. Learning to recognize these personal touches helps you connect more deeply with the artist, almost as if you're seeing the world through their eyes. Art movements reflect the changing ideas and values of society, while personal style reveals the unique voice and vision of each artist. When you spot a signature style, whether it's Monet's shimmering light, Picasso's bold shapes, or Dali's dreamlike imagery, you're witnessing the artist's personality shine through their work. Every artwork is part of a much bigger story, one that weaves together the history of art and the personal journey of the individual who created it. That's what makes art endlessly fascinating. It's a window into both our shared history and the singular vision of each artist. Now you have a toolkit for looking at art anywhere. Start by describing what you see. Be objective and thorough. Analyze how it's made: composition, color, light, and line. Interpret the mood or message. What do you think the artist is saying? Evaluate. Is it skillful, original, or moving? How does it make you feel? Use these steps in any gallery, museum, or even online. The more you practice, the more you'll discover. Happy viewing!